So guys, on the last video we were talking about the data breaches that are happening with Qantas, with Western University, basically with any sort of data breach. How do we check if our data has been leaked? The best way to do it is jump on, there are a couple of different websites, Malwarebytes does it, McAfee does it I think, Norton does it, but the website that I use on a regular basis to check for different clients is this guy. This is Have I Been Pooned, I think it is. So as you can see there, I've just put in one of my main email addresses that I use, and I've had 0 data breaches. So if you go to, I'll put this address here in the description, but if we come to this website, and there are a lot of different options up here. So we look for passwords, notify me. So notify me is basically, so I can put into that email address that I just had, one of my main email addresses, verify that I'm human, and this will actually notify me if it comes up with any information it finds on the dark web. So I will go back here, passwords to crack, check if the password appears to be known for data breaches. So again, we can go into there and add our normal password and check whether it's been used in a data breach, but have I been pooned, right? So we go back to the main page. I'll enter in one of my email addresses, and I'm sure it's probably been done occasionally, and we'll go, so I've had this address for a very long time, and yeah, it's one data breach. Oh no, I've been pooned. And this is for Adobe. So at some point, they have got my email address, my password hints, my passwords, and my username. So I can come in here and view a lot more details. What happened? In October 2013, all this information happened. Affected accounts, advisory in Australia. So, yeah, at some point I've had information leaked. So the idea is that you come in here and enter in your email address and you check it to see what's been leaked. I would honestly, at this point in time, jump into this website, come in. I'm not affiliated with them. I don't make any money from this site at all. But I'd come in here and check your data and see if anything has been leaked. Even old email addresses, like you've probably got a new email address. So, for example, let's come and find another one of my old email addresses here. What is it? I think it's this one. And we'll see if anything's been, yeah, we've got 8 of them leaked on that one. So, yeah, a lot of information has been leaked on that one. So that means that I'm going to go through that and actually check, because I haven't used that email address in quite some time. So it is so important that you know what's happening. And with this particular website, it actually will inform you when information's been leaked. How to get rid of that information? Okay, these guys can actually do it for you. I don't actually know the prices. Let's have a look together here. So if I go into pricing, what's under pricing here? Basically up to 25 breach emails per domain. Basically, I think they go through and just see what's there. Unlimited domains. Honestly, I don't know if they can remove it or not. But the best advice I would give you is that if you found that your information's been leaked on there, get onto those websites and change your information if you're still using it. If you're not, even contact that company and make sure you're all blocked out. It's so important their information remains your information. If you need a hand, shoot me a message. I'm happy to help. I'm happy to walk you through it. I'm happy to do it for you. But guys, at the moment, data breaching is huge. It is really huge. So it's so important that you stay on top of it.